Okay, it's been a couple weeks since I posted working on the back windows, back doors, top of the doors to make a window. And this is what I came up with. So I'm waiting for my photo now, and that's why I haven't done much, but I'm getting down to the end now, so I just sort of added a few things. I got a new mattress under there that I'll show in the end when I do the last video. But I'm starting to tweak things, so that opens up and looks pretty cool, and I've got a nice photo going in there, and should get that this week and hopefully get it in. My doors have been cleaned up. I got my little cubby there, which was in my one video, and I trimmed under the window. It's just tack for now until I get the photo to put in. So meanwhile, I started just tweaking things, adding things here and there on this cabinet. I put a button on the side, I click it, and added some lights in, which look good when the lights are off. Gives you that sort of, just for night light. So I added that, and I added a small mirror. So just tweaking things. I still have to put another coat of paint on these walls. My light, just for plug-in. And then I did the step. It's a little out there, but we'll see. As I said before, got lots of them, so if it gets dirty I can change it. And as you can see, no windows, but I have windows, so the hard part was when you open the door, you didn't want that hitting. So I had to leave the gap on the inside. So when it opens up, it's still going to be like a window outside. Not as nice as when it's in, but I designed it so it would look like a window by having this top frame that slides into this frame here that gives the upper lip. And to do the sides. Now, you open this one, and again, it's a little offset. That's what I don't like about it. But once the photo's in there, and then on my box, it was coming out real easy. So as you can see, I put this little pin over there and a little piece of rope just to pull on it. I decided to use some of that carpet back here and get rid of the blue foam, because that'll be only seen when the door is open like that, and then when I pull it out. So basically you come over, you don't even have to pull it out, but I will because I only got one hand. And you would leave it in there, and then you grab that, comes out nice, and then I use the same pin to go in. I drilled a hole, so now it doesn't go in. So it's nice and sturdy now. So when I pull on the doors, the door stays. And that's a huge drawer. Comes out full. Which you've seen in the video before. Already. So it's holding no problem on those glides. It says they hold up to 500 pounds. But as you can see, it's not all the way out. But I have it really built snugly so that it just slides right in. yeah. So I have a hook I'm going to put over here just for hanging something on when you're back here cooking. And there's the mirror. So yeah, it's coming along. Something else I got to show you in the front. Just a minute, I'm going to shut this off. 1, 2, 3, 4. So something else I always wanted to have was a table, so when I turn this chair around, and I wanted it to slide out of that, but because of the different things I did over there, there wasn't any area in the angle to really get something sliding out that would be substantial table. So I was sitting there looking at this big drawer and thinking, what could I do? And so I came up with this. Sorry about the camera work. It slides out. And I have my table. Finish the side. So basically this drawer is about 22 inches. So it comes out quite far. So I decided that I would do like a 12-inch little table, and then I put a hole in it so I can just slide it back. Again, this is with one hand. And then I can get into my drawers. Or pull that up and get to the back of the drawer. But meanwhile, like that, it's a nice sized countertop or bed table. So that was simple with a piece of wood, just stain it. I already had left a gap on the side, so it worked out 3/4 inch, nice and flat. And she slides in, gone. So drawer and table. And then this, I did right at the beginning of the build and the stain came out wrong. So I might just go with it this year and then maybe stain it the same as that. And put this in my other van or auction it off, or not auction it off, maybe donate it for a price. Good door thing, it'd fit on any door. Down inside, so you got that. You got your tabletop, you got down inside, you got the cubby, and I threw a little button light up there where you just reach in, it's battery. So that lightens it up, lights it up. Threw that hook on there. I'm changing the top of the door again. I put that on and I did that for now and I don't like it again, so just playing. Got something else I'm going to try tonight. This was just wallpaper. I like the color. I just don't like the seam and a few other things. So that's little tweaks. It's the cover that opens up. I don't know, I haven't decided what I'm doing here yet. Chain or something. And then got light inside that one too. Yeah. So lots of space and storage. And no windows. Catch you in a bit. When I get the photo done, and I'm going to do a final video because I'm just about done. I'm going to play with these doors a little bit. Oops. Signing off.